I woke up and felt for some crispy fried dumpling, saltfish and okra, and some green bananas. Let's cook. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
We know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
We have here a pound of saltfish. Gonna wash off the excess salt. Add that to a pot. Then we're gonna fill this with water. Gonna allow that to come to a boil. I have one white onion, a medium size. I'm just gonna julienne strip those. So about half of a bell pepper. If you have multicolor, you can do that. I only have green. Scotch bonnet pepper. Don't want to go into the entire thing because this is very hot. So a few slices are to your spice tolerance. And then I have a carrot here already peeled and washed. You just cut the carrot however way you see fit. Just ensure that it's uniform. The fresh garlic, press and chop. Some fresh thyme. Then about 2 dozen okra. I'll just wash these already, cut off the ends. I'm just gonna cut those on an angle. Fresh thyme, half white onion, 1 tomato, half of a green bell pepper, 1 medium carrot, and then we have 2 dozen fresh okra, and of course 3 cloves of garlic and some scotch bonnet pepper right there. So the saltfish came to a boil for 5 minutes and we're going to pour that water off and repeat the process. Always put cold water so it can start from scratch. We're going to be making some fried dumplings. Cover that up, allow it to rest. The saltfish has come to a boil for the second time. I'm going to pour that water off. Add some cold water and cool it down to stop the cooking. I'm going to break up the pieces, remove whatever bones you can find. I'm going to break the pieces up. Saltfish already broken up, and this is about a half pound of saltfish. Alright, so we're going to make the fried dumpling. So I'm going to pinch about a golf size piece, like so, and we're going to roll that out. Here we go. Press that down. Drop in our oil. So our dumplings are fried. We're going to remove those from the oil. And this oil I was using to fry up some nice chicken, so hence the color. Nice, light and fluffy. Put them on a paper towel or a wire rack. We're going to go in with about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To the hot oil, we're going to go into our onions. Then the carrots, or scotch bonnet and garlic. And we're going to saute that. Going to go in with our cooked saltfish. Immediately going to add a little bit of black pepper. About a half teaspoon. I'll give that a stir. Going to go in with a tablespoon of butter. And introduce some flavor to this now. Tomato and bell peppers in. we're going to season that with about a teaspoon of fish seasoning. Finally hit that with our okra and our fresh thyme. We put in the okra last because we want them to remain, to keep their shape, firmness, nice crunch. Here we go. Beautiful. Cover that up. 5 minutes. And there we go, the saltfish and okra served up with some fried dumpling, or you can have some ground provisions to go with this. Beautiful. Leave a thumbs up on the video, leave a comment below, and say if you love my vibe, don't forget to hit subscribe. Jano, try it out at home, you won't be disappointed. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel upon the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.